So we can break apart to hit me if I seem a little unimpressed with this. An antisocial pessimist, but usually I don't mess with this, and I know you.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Power BI Masterclass series. Now in this video, we're gonna deep dive in the cluster analysis and Power BI. If you are from the machine learning or the data science domain, you already know what is cluster analysis means. So in case you don't know what is cluster analysis, it is simply a method which is in unsupervised machine learning, and it is simply grouping of objects such that they are in the same groups. So it is simply grouping the objects based on the similarities that they have. So let's see how we can do the cluster analysis in Power BI. So to do this cluster analysis, we need to create a scatter plot from the visualization pane. So let's add that. Now let's increase the size. Yeah. Now what I need numerical measures to add here under this x-axis and y-axis. So let's quickly add that. Let's add the total sales on the under the y-axis, and let's say amount here, and let's add that in the x-axis. I can see we have only one dot shown here because Power BI summed these amount and the total sales and shown only one dot here. So we need to add another measure to get the distributed dots here. So I'll add the customer company here under this value section. Now I can see we have dotted that should be displayed based on this total sales and the sum of amount they are generated. Now now what I want these dots to be grouped based on their total sales and the sum of amount. So how I can group that? So I'll need to go this more option, and I'll need to click on this automatically find the clusters, and you can see a window pop-up is shown here. Now I need to rename this. So you can see we have customer company clusters here. So let's rename that into just clusters, and we have description here, and the cluster, that is the name here, that should be shown under this option, so under this legend option. So and under this number of clusters, let's add 4 clusters only. Let's click on OK option. I can see we should be having, yeah, you should be having a clusters and the legend here: cluster 1, cluster 2, cluster 3, and cluster 4. Based on the total sales, they'll be having a different colors here. Now in case if you want to do changes, let's say I want only three groups. So how we can do the rearranging of this? So to do that, we'll be having a cluster option here. That is the name here. Now let's right click on this, and you'll be having an option called edit clusters here. Let's click on that. I can see we have a window option that is already pop up here. Now number of clusters, let's say I want only 3 clusters here. Let's rename that also to, let's say, customer clusters. Customer clusters. Customer clusters. Click on OK. I can see this is also got renamed, and this also got renamed, and we have only 3 clusters here, 3 groups. Now also you can add a size here. Let's say I'll adding the customer company option here. That should be shown based on the size of the bubble will be larger based on their total sales and the total amount they are generated. So this is all about the cluster analysis in Power BI. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.